Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in today's video, we will explore Zapier Conversation Abandoned Trigger, which fires when a conversation is left incomplete. And this helps you automate this data into a workflow for timely follow-up and improve engagement tracking. To begin, let's head over to the account integration section. Under automation, we have Zapier. Now, our Zapier account is already integrated with the account. So next step, we just need to go ahead and confirm the application we are passing the data to. For the video, I will be using Google Sheet. Now, from the list of available triggers and actions, I'll be selecting Create Spreadsheet Rows in Google Sheet for Abandoned Conversation. All I need to do is click on Add Zap, and this is preparing the Zapier page for me. The Conversation Abandoned trigger is already in place, and now it is automating the setup of my OnceHub account. So my OnceHub account is being automatically set up there, and once the automation part is completed, it is also going to go ahead and pull up a data for test purpose. So this is one of the most recent record of a conversation which was abandoned. Now, whenever we are using conversation trigger, we need to be sure that we can go ahead and see, like, for chatbots or for forms. Now, whenever you are using it for a chatbot, you need to use the find contact option as well, as contact fields are mapped with your chatbot conversation. Whereas for your forms, you can map both, and you can also map the available form submission fields. And depending on the level or the type information that was entered by the visitor, the information would be available in this trigger. So let's click on continue, and currently it is just configuring the Google Sheet. Next, I just need to go ahead and select the relevant drive, the spreadsheet, then the worksheet. Now, here, next step would be the mapping part. So it is quite possible that not all of the information that is available will be here for mapping. For example, let's say we do have the name in the test data, then we do have the email. This one. Then if we look for phone, we don't seem to have the phone data up there. So it is quite possible that the client might not or have abandoned the conversation before entering the phone. So depending on the data which was submitted, the information would be available. But yeah. So let's go ahead, get the creation time here. Then status. Then we can find out if it is a chatbot or a form by the bot ID. Then the owner as well. And got the conversation owner. So yeah, this is some basic mapping, and it is currently processing the data from the record. Once you click on the step, it should pass the data successfully to the relevant sheet there. So let's go ahead, take a look. So yeah, we do see that the name, the email, when it was started, the status, and all the other information is there. We don't see a phone number because the phone number was not entered, and the client might have abandoned the form or the chatbot before entering that information. So yeah, we can head back to the OnceHub account. So at this stage, when we're satisfied with the data, we can just click on publish, and yep, your conversation abandoned trigger is all set. Whenever someone leaves a chatbot or a form incomplete, this will pass the relevant data. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.